Hey besties, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much. My name is Lavion and I do enjoy posting home decor and motivational cleaning videos that will make you want to get up and decorate or clean as you may see fit in your own home. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you all so much for coming back for another video. You all are the bestest. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys some bathroom deep cleaning motivation as well as some inspiration to do a small refresh in your bathroom. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Before I start my cleaning, I'll just be removing all of our soaps and other items from the shower and also on the countertops. I like to spray a bleach cleaner first. To me, this just helps dissolve any soap scum before I actually start cleaning. I like to do a good deep clean, but I also like to make it as easy as I possibly can for myself. And I'll also be using soft scrub on my shower floor. This works amazing to lift the soap scum. Then I'll just use my Mr. Clean and mix it with some water to start cleaning. I'm using my steamer to get in between the shower tracks, and I'm also going to steam the shower doors. This builder grade shower door is just not where it's at. I feel like I can never get all the soap scum from off the tracks, and the doors are just always falling off track. It drives me insane. But you know, we're going to work with what we got until we can get what we want. Hopefully soon we'll be able to upgrade. I do like to clean my shower doors like this because I feel like it just removes all of the body washes and the in-shower lotions that we use. It just really does a good job with getting everything nice and clean. And then I'll just be scrubbing my shower walls and just getting the rest of the residue off of the shower roof with just a regular cleaning cloth. After thoroughly scrubbing the shower, I'll just rinse it out with hot water, then I'll just wipe it dry. Next, I'm moving on to my countertops. I'm going to make sure that these are wiped down really good before placing my items back on the countertops. And guys, also make sure that any items that you are placing back on your countertops, such as your lotions, soaps, or any other decorative items, that you're also wiping those down as well. When cleaning your bathroom, don't forget to get those doors, your door handles, and also those light switches. Using my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to remove some wall scuffs from a picture that I had here previously. I love to keep my wood cabinets nice and polished, so I'm going to use this wood cleaner just to polish and clean my bathroom cabinets.
Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else.
Before I start cleaning and sanitizing my toilet, I'm going to spray the entire toilet down generously with some cleaner. Make sure to get underneath the cover, and you can just do that by removing the toilet seat and just wiping underneath that. This Mr. Clean eraser also works really well with removing any stains that didn't come up just by wiping. When cleaning your toilet, make sure to get the entire toilet. That includes the flusher, the sides, the back, and the front of the toilet. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I usually would just clean the toilet with some gloved hands and some cleaner. And I also said that I wouldn't clean it any other way. Well, your girl just switched up. So I actually use these for my home cleaning business where I'm going and cleaning my customer's home. And I was like, let me give these a try in my own home. And I actually love it. So your girl then switched it up, and this is how I'm cleaning my toilet from now on. So Mr. Toilet Wand, you are welcomed here. Just to keep my bathrooms looking polished, I'm using my spray weight glass cleaner on my mirrors, my faucets, and my shower doors for a perfect streak-free shine. But not least, I'm using my Swiffer sweeper, and I'm just going to sweep the bathroom floor, making sure that I get those baseboards, don't forget those, and then I'm just going to steam mop. Now on to adding in the decor. I'm just adding in some simple touches of decor just to give our bathroom a small refresh. First, I'm adding in this wooden tray. I'll be adding in some small jars with Q-tips and cotton rounds, a candle, and a small flower. Adding in this white vase with some stems in the corner, and then I put this shelf in the toilet room just for some extra storage, and I'm just going to place some items on top of it just to decorate it a little bit. I'm going to use this woven basket just to store some wipes and some freshener, along with a plant behind the toilet. I wanted to go with some warm and cozy feels in our bathroom, so I added in some natural pieces such as the tray and the wooden shelf and also some baskets. I decided to go with this burnt orange towel to complement the wall art I have above it. I placed the stool in the corner to bring in some more natural tones, and I just placed a candle and another small decor piece on top of it. Then I just added in another blanket to store extra towels and some more washcloths. Here is the finished and clean look of our bathroom. I hope that you have enjoyed watching, but most importantly, I hope that you have found some motivation to clean or even do a simple refresh in your home. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. Falling again in love. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again in love. Cause every time that